I chose to go to Erie University because I'm going to learn how to be a leader, be a good role model, and inspire others. I seen my brother, he was happy to go, so I was like, I'll go with him. I mean, he was just excited to go, like, in general. Like, even before he knew, he was just like, well, yay, I want to go somewhere. My favorite course is podcasting because it was my first course I did, and I loved it, I enjoyed it. Urban University started a course called Youth Commerce where we could meet RJ Messenger and also learn how to start our own business and how to become invested more in leadership on the business side.
With the Urban University, I really liked that it seemed like they were really going to teach them, like they were making them responsible, like making them fill applications, do resumes. These are things that my kids are going to need later on in life, like when they want to get a job, when they want to go to college. So I think that really stood out to me because I knew that these were qualities that they were going to need later on in life and that they could learn now. I think with the boys, we've seen some positive changes with them. They are getting along better. Like I do have 13-year-old twin sons, and I think when they're the same sex, you have a bit more issues. Like even though they get along, they still tend to get into arguments and fights. And Gabriel has a very delicate temperament. I'll say like he can go into like 0 to 60 in a minute. Some stuff will make him really upset, and then he sort of blows up. So I've noticed with him that he starts to think now more, and he's not doing that as much. And with our family, I'm like, it's helped us because we did struggle a bit with him and getting him more under like, okay, you got to share, you got to do things with your brother, you guys got to spend time together. And I think that's helped a lot with that.
One of the coolest things I got to do so far was trying to design my own shirt for like Urban University, and like even making the design with my team and just discussing with them. Well, the summer programs are fun. We went camping, got to ride horses, got to do art, like art I never done before. We got to work around with tech, build robots, build all that stuff.
I feel my sons are getting more of a sense of who God is, how they can actually have him in their life and what he does for you. So I've loved that because I think it's brought us closer to God in that way as a family and helped my sons understand more. And then just like I said with the leadership, like they're learning so much about how to be leaders, how to inspire other kids, how to really find a direction in their lives and get ready for their future.
I'm pushing myself to be a better leader by getting out of my comfort zone, doing stuff that's like uncomfortable for me, but I never do. A way I'm developing as a leader is that I guess I'm trying to be more of a role model for my brother. If there was no Urban University, well, then I wouldn't have some of my friends. I don't think I would have as much of a social life with people. I wouldn't talk to people. I wouldn't go outside my comfort zone at all. I wouldn't be as nice with my brother. And like, I wouldn't try to be a role model to him. I wouldn't have the friends I would have. I'll probably be like more lazy.
For other parents, I'm like, you need to know that there's all these resources out there. There are tons of companies here that care about your kids and want to see your kids become leaders in the community, become parts of their businesses one day. If you let your child join Urban University, you're opening those doors earlier. For other parents, I would say this is a good way for your children to start that road to being an adult, that road to what do I want to do with my future. And it helps them with school. Like I feel my son's grades are great. They are motivated to do well in school because they know that they have to do well in school to be at Urban University. And they know that even at Urban, they talk to them about how a leader does good. A leader makes sure that they are a person that keeps those grades up, that they're doing what they need to do. They're taking the steps to do and follow a career that they want. And it gives something for your kids to do that's positive instead of being home bored or being out on the street or just being at like random parks hanging out. You know that your kids are with people that care about them and are teaching them something.
The adventures are very, very nice. I appreciate their kindness, them showing leadership, them helping us, and then they're showing up and giving their time to us. Like you have an opportunity to join now with the new summer course coming up, and you should try out, like they have the courses like the UU Cafe and outdoor leadership again and horsemanship.
Our experience with Urban University has been great. I am loving it so far. I can't wait for my sons to continue and become junior mentors themselves and working with younger kids in this area to make sure that keeps on going.
That was great. You did a great job.
Thank you.
You said a lot of really nice things.
Yeah, I love the program.